Up? It has been a while since I posted on this channel. I play Jurassic World Evolution 2. I'm not to start the park. I'm not going to finish it. What I want to say? I'm not going to be able to finish it in this video because then it would like be a 40-minute long or longer video. But I'm going to try my best to do it for this. Oh, what am I saying? The most done what I can. The most of the main parts done. I'm going to try. Why won't my fin open? There. First I have to probably, I'm going to try to make it as nice as what I can. Like pretty. I might just be able to date my first dinosaur in this video, but I don't know. Why is my path surfing? I'm just going to make one straight line. Then I'm going to put, first I think I have to put buildings that it just works with it well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. There's food. To put food there. Drink shop here. A emergency center. Probably should I? Yeah, I think it will look nice if I straight on put a hotel, because it just would, for the people that's coming in. I don't really care about the people that much, but just for being a good influence, should I put a hotel here? So then I'm going to go to decoration. Why? Yeah. I think I'm going to try to do a bit of trees and stuff. Just so you know, let it feel more alive around this area here. No! Not on the path. Or is it on the path? No, stop. There. Alright, I think I'm going to demolish that because trees is not on to work. I was wrong. Why did I demolish the path with it? No. So that's not going to work. So I'm gonna try something. I think I'm like try to put like decorations here in the middle. Like waterfalls or something like that. Almost like this. Yes, that actually looks nice. Right there. I like that. It looks very nice. How do you I think it would look nice if I just kind of do this. For a kind of on the side, then it looks like a wall that's just walking down. Yes, that would look kind of nice. But the problem is I'm not going to be able to put them so close to each other. Yes! That looks, yes! That's perfect. Right, balance it, balance. Then like when you come in first, you're going to see this. That's good, I like it. Like that. That looks good. I really like it. That. I like the whole thing, but if I'm right, I think you can do like first person. I think. I don't know. Wait, stop moving, stop. Like this, yes. Yes. Replace me here. Look, that looks great. When you first like walk into the park and everything, you see the walls and stuff. Yeah, but just the problem, they are probably not that wet when I walk through here, but it's a work in progress. I think I'm going to put in my first dinosaur. I have the packs, but that's on a PlayStation 5, so not here. So this is an Xbox. It's probably where I'm going to post most of the videos on my channel, is on my Xbox. Why? So that's probably why you won't see the packs. I might do the pack Friday, so if I do, I will kind of show it and just show what I think that I might be doing like the Temptations, the series on Netflix's pack. I think that one. So I will then show you guys it and put some of the dinosaurs in the park from the pack. So hopefully I can get to there. And now what do I want to do? Yes. Now I want you to do that. See guys, that looks nice. I'm still very proud of this. I like it. So where is the food? I think I'm going to put in a T-Rex. How do I? I don't know those. Yeah, I'm going to put in a T-Rex. I'm going to. Here. Put water. Should I do 2 or 1? I'm just going to put 1. This enclosures are big enough for 2. No way, this is big enough here for 2. So just a feeder here and there. And then to put my hatcheries up. Alright, now I just going to have to go down, and more. Yes, here it is. Should I put a stain on it or should I the right man? I think I'm not the right man. I think I'm going to try to make it bright colors. I know it's a T-Rex, it's not supposed to have bright colors. But I want to see how will a T-Rex look with bright colors. Let me put in a bathroom. Here. I'm probably going to have to... Yeah, but that I can do later. Actually, yes. You see, I wanted to put this in, but I think it's too early to do that. That might be in the next video. I might be able to fit 2 T-Rex in here. Yeah, and then I might do. Why not? As a first one, the people are going to be happy. If there's 2, the enclosure might be a bit... Come on, so I can fit this in there somewhere. No. If there's 2, the people will be happy. If there's just 1, it's probably... The people will still be happy, but 2 is better than 1. I will say. So I'm going to keep it as 2, but just hopefully the enclosure is big enough for 2. If it's not, I'm going to have a problem. Because that will let them break out and stuff, and I don't want that. Alright, the first look at the T-Rex. If you want to comment down below any names for the park, Oh, that does not look too bad, but I will see when it's day how it looks. Maybe it looks better. In the next video, I will put the settings that it does not do at night. I see it doesn't look very good at the night. In night. So, yeah. How many people should I got? Actually, just oh. I think I have emotional damage now. That is only 100, and I don't even see anybody walking around. So I have to change something, guys. I have to change something. I didn't thought today. I'm going to be honest. If I put this here, will it look nice? Yes, I think it does. Wait. Yes! That looks very good actually. Yeah, guys, I like that. I'm going to make this the Jurassic World of... I'm going to name it Jurassic World. I know that's a name, but... name of the movie, but I'm going to try to make a successful Jurassic World. What does not, that does not go into dust when a dinosaur called the Indominus Rex breaks out. I think that's the one thing I have to be worried about is that. But so far so good. Everything looks